beat of my drum when the rhythm flows and my beat goes. Ooh, wow, we dow, wow, wow, we do be dow, ooh, wow, we da da dow, dow, we do ba do, wow, we dow, 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 we do be dow, ooh, wow, we da da dow, dow.
And that's the camera. Let's see if we can get a look at it. We got this one on a Black Friday deal. Now's the time to run the wire while I got everything taken apart. This is a tiny little camera. It's supposed to be pretty sweet though. I guess we're gonna find out. And I was able to get most of that through there. Couldn't get the back end. Gotta go outside of the boot. You can kind of see it right there. And the reason why is because it's got that on it. And there was no way that was gonna fit through there. I tried. It's already really full with the factory wires, right? Like there's barely enough room for those in there. So I could have did this hole. That's what I was thinking. But because there's no cover, I snaked it inside the metal. I need to take off the logo. Painted the button for sure. And then I realized that this would be the best spot to put that. It's right underneath the logo. Be hidden. This is what I'm thinking. Right there. And there it is, the final result. It's gonna sit like that. So I may have to adjust the angle. It did come with this little wrench right here, so it shouldn't be too tough. All right, go put it back in. All right, so I got it coming in here. It runs down this. Can't really see it, but it's tucked on the back there with the zip ties. You can kind of see it there in the corner. I got it tied into the tail light, and then I've used the diode to isolate it so that the camera will work. Final results. There goes the camera. There it is. Shows the backup lines. Yeah, I definitely have this system to where it has a reverse camera. I got this switch here where it could be on all the time, or it can work like a true reverse camera, right? You put it in reverse, camera comes on, back to park, camera goes off. I feel like the blue screen delay is the reason why I just leave it on all the time. But it does reverse trigger. I also made it to where you can just turn it on. It's on all the time, which is where I usually leave it. And then I usually use that one button.
Thanks for being a part of this journey. I've got several videos in this series planned. I've already done a bunch more work.